Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making 5 kilos of kimchi. So all you need is the 5 kilos of Chinese cabbage, the rock salt that you're using to soak this Chinese cabbage. What's this one? First is you need to cut like this big. So once you all cut this, you cut this one by one. So each cabbage covered by salt, yeah, like that. So I'm doing this way. So once you all done cut this like this big, then you arrange this to the bowl, and you need to put rock salt on the top, or either any kind of salt that you want to use. So after each of the Chinese cabbage, you need to put salt on top. So how many pieces of there in 5 kilos? That's the step you're doing. So cut first and then put in the bowl, then pour some salt, then you need to cut another one, put in the bowl, then put salt until you will done. Then rest all this one for, you need to soak this salt for 2 hours. So after you done this on the last of the cabbage, if it's your bowl is already full, you need to put salt on the last one. Then you get 2 glasses of water that you sprinkle on the top of it, so that all the salt there on the bottom, it will be soaked to the leaves down. Then at the last one, after you put some sprinkle with the water, you will put last time salt on the top, then rest for 2 hours. So this is all the 5 kilos of Chinese cabbage. So I'm using the 2 bowl for this one because it's the 1 bowl is not really enough, for it's too small for the 5. So you need to put salt on the top, then get water, as what I've said. You get water, or one scoop water, then you just sprinkle on the top of your Chinese cabbage with salt. Then after that one, you will soak for 2 hours. So you then putting on the water at the top. So for the last time, you need to put salt for the final, so that you need to soak this for 2 hours. waiting for the cabbage for 2 hours, you need to clean the 4 pieces of big onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and the 2 pieces of big ginger. Then you cut like this way. Then you are using blender later. That one. So after 2 hours, you need to wash the Chinese cabbage. You've been soaking for water. Use running water so that you can wash it nicely. Then all the salt is gone. Salt is the one way of cleaning and it will remove all the chemicals on the vegetables. So you need to clean. You need to squeeze all the water that need to. It should not be having a water. So all the excess water, you need to remove it. So once you're done washing all that one, you transfer it to the same mold that you're using. Then squeeze it little by little. Then put in the strainer. Then just leave it for this one. The wash Chinese cabbage for 5 minutes. Then prepare your garlic, onion, and ginger and blend it. But you need to put a little bit of water so that the blender will be easy on running. So because the ginger is a little bit hard and onion, so just put a little water. Then after that one, when you're done making this, you just blend it. That it's, as you can see, if it's all well blend, it's ready to use. So just use a little bit of water, right, to help the ginger and the onion. It's easy for the motor for the blender to run. So it's all looks like this. Your mixture of the ginger, onion, and blender. Then you can continue until all your ingredients all blend. Then you need to prepare the chili powder that you need. Chili powder, your wash Chinese cabbage, and of course salt to taste for this one. Instead, some they're using Ajinomoto, which is monosodium glutamate, but I'm using because Tom is allergic of monosodium, so I'm using white sugar. So it depends on making this one of mixing the chili powder. It depends on you how spicy you want for your kimchi. So I'm using this. I'm making this kimchi is not too hot so that I can eat. So I just put 4 tablespoons of chili powder. But if you want more spicy, you can add more, and you can add your salt as what you want for the taste of your kimchi. So this is all the process on how doing the kimchi, and you just mix it well. But you need to use gloves on your hands because the chili powder will you will feel so like burning on your hands. So then mix this well until all the spices will blend. Then prepare your container. So you need to set this container outside, like just set aside in the house for 3 days. Then you can put, after 3 days, you can put this one inside the fridge. Then you can start eating your kimchi anyway. So this is all the kimchi we have done yesterday. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to hit likes and comments down if you're not subscribed on my channel. don't forget to subscribe.